thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate y'all's support. I literally edit all my workout videos myself, so it literally takes me days. It takes me forever. But if I can provide you guys with some sort of value, and it's something that you guys enjoy, then it means literally the world to me, and it's something that's absolutely fulfilling to me. So I really do appreciate you guys' support, because it's the reason I can keep going. It's the reason why I feel like this has any meaning whatsoever. So I really do thank you guys for that. And if you guys are interested in figuring out a way to put these workouts into an actual substantial program, training and nutrition program, diet, supplements, then check out my website, niallnaga.fitness.com, and basically you guys will be able to sign up for my newest custom training and nutrition programs that are coming out really, really soon. And they'll all be on an app with videos of me where I can show you my form for all of these exercises and more. All you guys got to do is go to niallnagafitness.com and sign up with your email. And then also, I'm wearing Young LA. They're having a new fucking drop that's coming out on December 14th, and it's super fire. This is one of the pieces. And then you guys can use code NIALL for 15% off for that. It'll be super fire. We also have EHB Labs, which is a supplement company that I support, and you guys can use my code NIALL10 for that, for 10% off. You guys can get Ifbb, which is one of my favorite proteins. It's a super fast digesting isolate protein, as well as OxyShred. It's essentially a pre-workout with a little bit of a fat burner. So you're gonna sweat during a workout, and it might also help you suppress your appetite if appetite is an issue for you. So lots of products out there. PSI with pump, super great. You guys can use NIALL10 for that 10% off. But yeah, if you guys use my codes, you guys check out my website. It all supports me, all supports my ability to be able to make these videos and put up content for you guys. So if you guys have any content you guys would like to see in particular, please comment it below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for everything. Your support means the world, and it's the reason that I can continue. So thanks again, guys. Peace.